So friends, I'm going to show you with an iron box how you can mold the edges after you stick the beading on any furniture. So you can have a total look how it looks. So I'll show a close-up how it looks as of now. Come close please. So this is how it looks, and I'm going to mold it with an iron box, and you can see the process. You have to keep it in a medium heat. Don't keep it very high. It will burn the things out. So I'm going to show you how to mold it. So when you stick the beading, you have to leave a little bit. It should be either leveling with the top or a little bit, maybe half an mm higher than that. So you can see how is it going. What will happen is the plastic gets melted, and the fiber gets melted, and it will cover the small gap between the beading and the wood that we use for plywood maybe. So, and it looks good like laminated, how it comes from interior working factories. So I have kept it in medium heat. Don't keep it very high, it won't be appropriate. So after you do that, you can just use very thin, very nice sandpaper, and rub it through the edges once to make it further smooth. Or just even cleaning with the hands also is fine. It won't be the sharp or something after you do this. Yeah. So after you apply the iron box, you can just clean with your hands, bare hands, like this, and it will take away all the pieces that is burned and come out of the beading. And you can see how smooth it looks. The edge goes, the gap gets filled, and it looks very smooth, much smoother compared to how it was looking before. So you can see a close-up here, and you can see how it's going. So I'm removing the pieces that has come out. So make sure you're keeping the beading a little bit higher, like it's not even 1 mm, just something more than the level, slightly more than the level of the top of the wood. So I finished it. I'll take the camera through the edges once, and you can see how it totally looks. So maybe you can use cloth or something with your so that you don't burn your hands. So this is how it looks. This is a very close-up look, that's why even something is visible, but it looks much better than earlier. So thank you.